In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a checklist in Be Engaged. A checklist is a list of different items that require completion. The progress of that completion is trackable in Be Engaged by those the checklist is assigned to and officers of the group the checklist has been created in. Creating a checklist in Be Engaged is a relatively easy process. After logging into Be Engaged, you'll go to your group and then click the Tracks and Checklist shortcut from the group dashboard. If the Tracks and Checklist option isn't displayed there, head to the left-hand menu and click the More Tools option. Next, you'll select Tracks and Checklist from the drop-down, and you'll be redirected to this page. If you haven't created any tracks or checklists yet, it should be blank, but we're going to change that right now. To create a checklist, you're going to start by clicking the green Create Checklist button at the top right of your screen. This will bring up a pop-up window where you'll create your checklist. Populate the fields in front of you by inputting the name of your checklist, inputting the checklist description, deciding on a deadline which the checklist needs to be completed by, choosing whether or not you want this checklist to be visible to the people you're assigning it to, choosing whether or not you want this checklist to be sequential, and deciding on the ordering of the checklist. After you've specified your answers for each of those fields, click the green Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Now, you'll be brought back to the main Tracks and Checklist page where you'll see the foundation for your checklist. However, you still need to add items, which we'll do right now. Click the name of the checklist you've just created, and then click the green Create Item button at the top right of the next screen. This will bring up yet another pop-up window where you'll input information into the fields for the checklist item you're creating, such as its title, details, completion date, whether students can check this item off themselves, and whether this item is optional. After you've specified your answers for each of those fields, click the green Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. You can repeat the same process for as many items as you want to add to your checklist. We're going to set up 2 more items for this checklist, filling out that same form and saving it when we're done each time. Now we're going to change the order these items appear in by clicking this option with this grid of dots right here and dragging our item to where we want it to be. Now that our items have been rearranged after they've been created, our checklist is now set up and Be Engaged. Before we can say it's complete, we'll have to add any completion rules needed and assign the checklist to users who it applies to.